In this video, you are going to learn how to set up Facebook Pixel remove from cart event for Shopify store using Google Tag Manager with sending all the product information from data layer.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. Let's back to this topic.
Guys, this is our demo Shopify website and we need to set up this, like this is the view cart and just remove from cart. So if you install that event, then you can understand why product people are avoiding to purchase. Okay, so that's why it's pretty important to you to make remarketing campaign. Okay, and for I want to mention, if you are a complete beginner and you are watching this video at first, then you should visit my YouTube channel and you should watch 3 or 4 the previous video, because this is a step-by-step process. So if you are complete beginner and without seeing that episode, you don't understand this topic. But don't worry, if you also check out my playlist, which is Shopify tracking solution, then you will get all the video in one place. Okay, also if you need my help, you can contact me. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. I will give you a quick work schedule and give you the best work. Okay, so that's not the part. So let's set up the remove from cart. You can see from my next couple of video you will learn this kind of topic. And now let's go to preview, and we need to input the website URL here and connect the Shopify to our Google Tag Manager preview. So you can see the tag assistant is now connected and it's a base pixels is fired and Facebook are connected with this Google Tag Manager. So because I always recommend you to use Google Tag Manager to connect Facebook pixels to your Shopify store, because this is pretty easy and it's customizable, so you can manage everything anytime. Okay, so let's see, it's a view content event, and then if I add to cart this product, you can see add to cart is working, and now view cart. So view cart is also working, and now we need to remove it from cart, and you can see there is no event here. Okay, so we need to, here you can see the remove from cart is here, so we need to track this event. Okay, so first of all I want to go to tag manager tag section and I just want to make a new tag, and you can see we are using a tag templates which is Facebook pixels, Facebook archive, and we need to input our Facebook pixel. You can directly input your pixel code here, and for help we already made a constant variable. Actually the Facebook pixel are integrated with this variable. Okay, and let's standard event, let's find the remove from cart. You can see here is no option to select remove from cart, but don't worry, if we are not able to see here, then we need to make the custom event by selecting custom event. So let's copy this event name and paste it here, and Facebook always do prefer the event name like this format, so all first word will be capital and all will be the small letter. Now we need to send some product information with this event. Okay, so for that we need to make some object properties and add some properties. Okay, so we actually used to send 5 parameter with every standard event. So For example, we need to send product type, content ID, product name, product price, and currency, which is very recommendable variable. Okay, so let's just try to configure it by using the data layer information. So you can see all the information are here and we need to send them. Just simply type content type and you can use content type as a product or product group. Okay, and you should type content name, content IDs, then value, and then currency. Okay, so you always use these 5 standard variable for every single standard event. Okay, so content name, if you watched my last couple of video you can understand how to set up that event, but I want to show you something like for first variable how you can make the variable. So this is the property name you can type, but the variable you should use the data layer. Okay, so I already make the data layer variable. You can see the data layer variable. So if you don't know how to make that, just copy here, use the data layer checker, and this is the event. Just this is the input value and this is the this is input value and that will be the output on the Facebook pixels. Okay, so for example, if I want to use like if I want to select that name, we need to copy the code. Just copy here and make the variable which is data layer variable, and this one which is not too difficult, just try to understand. Name, it's a product name, sorry, name. Okay, you can give any name here. So you can see our content name was selected, so you should make that kind of variable for all. So I already made, so that's why I am selecting from here. Okay, so e-commerce currency. Okay, that's it. And trigger, which is very important part, we should use the custom event and exact same name we should copy and paste here. That's it. And I always used to this format and let's and save it, and also same thing. So this actually this name format I do prefer. If you want you can use this format, which can easily understand what event you are making. Okay, so now our ad is done. It's time to check everything. So go to preview again. You can see the website is opening. Just hit the continue and just do checkout, view cart, and you can see we didn't get our so view cart is here. So if I remove, now it's another event right now which is remove from cart. Okay, and that was the value of the product. So you can now easily make the custom audience based on your event, which is view remove from cart. Then you can make camping on them. So that's it.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.